Hello everyone, it's good to have you again. This is me, Mr. Raed, and now it's English time. Today we are going to complete Unit 7, Lesson 2, which is titled The Joy is in the Job. Please open your books on pages 98 and 99. But before we start, we need to have a look at the lesson's objectives.
Lessons objectives 1. Learn some jobs names. 2. Study some personal qualities. 3. Read a text about a job I love. 4. Write about someone's job.
Yes. So as you heard, my students, today's objectives, we are going to learn some jobs names, study some personal qualities, read a text about a job I love, and the last one, write about someone's job. Yes, but before we start reading, there are some words we need to learn which are related to our lesson. Yeah, please try to look at the picture and say the word before I show you the answer. If you look at the first one, I think you can identify this picture. Please say it. It is a
camera.
Yes, camera. So please now have a look and try to say the word before I show you the written one. Yes, can you guess what is the job here in this picture? Yeah, please say.
Operator.
Okay, it is operator. Have a look. What is this man's job? He is a
reporter.
Reporter. So please say he is a reporter. Next one.
Presenter.
Presenter. Yes, this job is presenter. Okay. What is this man's job? You know, they are always behind the cameras.
Director.
Yes. Okay. We say director and sometimes we say film director. Okay, can you identify this man's job? You know, maybe the pictures on the screen may help you. If you can see the sun, clouds, etc., temperature. Okay, so please look.
Forecaster.
Yes, okay, in English, we say this is weather forecaster. Weather forecaster. Okay, now we are going to move to the reading text. So, this is reading. Read the text quickly and which job from activity 2, we mean, you know, the words that we just learned, does the woman do? You know, after reading, you need to decide what is this woman's job. So please listen to paragraph number 1.
1. I introduce the show and then I interview special children and some famous people too. It's like a chat show for kids. I like interviewing people who are talented, fun and doing interesting things, whether they are famous or not. And that's not all I do when we are off air. I do a lot of reading. I find out all about our guests, so that I know what I'm talking about when I interview them.
Yes. So I think my smarter students, you can identify this woman's job, but don't say it now. We need to listen to paragraph number 2 and 3, then I'll tell you the job. Please listen now to number 2. But of course, students, you need to read after listening.
2. I love my job because I meet so many fascinating people, especially children. Every day is different and never boring. Also, I often get to travel to different parts of the country to interview people who are doing interesting things.
Yes, this number 2 and the last one.
3. To do my job. You need to be enthusiastic about people and their lives. You need to ask questions that make your guests give interesting answers. You must have lots of energy and not look like you are tired on camera. You need to be confident because the camera is on you all the time. And you need to be good with children, especially friendly and calm, so they feel comfortable enough to talk to you easily. And you need to be knowledgeable too, so that you can interview people well.
Yes. So back now to my question. What do you think this woman's job? Please say. Okay. She is a TV presenter. She is a TV presenter. Yes. Now we are going to move to some comprehension questions related to the reading passage. So students, I will show you the question. Try, from the beginning, try to write the answers on a piece of paper, or you can write it on the book. Yes, please be ready. Number 1. Why does she like her job? Why does the woman like her job? Think of the answer. You need to write it on a piece of paper. Then compare the answer to this one. The correct answer is because she likes meeting fascinating people. Because she likes meeting fascinating people. Yes, think of number 2. Why does she travel to different parts of the country? Why does the woman travel to different parts of the country? Yes, students, you need to go back to the reading passage and try to find the answer. Okay, the correct answer is to interview people who are doing interesting things. So why does she travel to different parts of the country? The answer is to interview people who are doing interesting things. Number 3, what do you need to be to do the job? What do you need to be to do the job? Okay, compare your answer with mine. The correct answer is you need to be enthusiastic. You need to be enthusiastic. Okay, now I will move to the next part of the questions. Number 4, why do you need to be confident? Why do you need to be confident to do such kinds of jobs as a TV presenter? The answer is because the camera is on you all the time. So you need to be confident because the camera is on you all the time. Number 5. What kind of people does she interview? What kind of people does she interview? I'll remind you, my dear students, you need to write the answers, then compare the answers with mine. Yes, the correct answer is people who are talented, fun, and doing interesting things. And the last one, what does she do when she is off air? What does she do, the woman, when she is off air? Is she going to sleep? Okay, this is the correct answer. She likes to do a lot of reading. She likes to do a lot of reading. Yes, thank you very much, students, for the comprehension questions. Now we are going to move to the next part, exercise number 4. As you can see, read the text again and match the questions to the paragraphs. You know, the reading paragraphs, it includes 3 paragraphs, 1, 2, and 3. The first question, letter A, why do you like your job? Where can we find the answer to this question? Is it paragraph 1 or 2 or 3? So again, you need to go back to the reading text and decide which paragraph answers this question. Why do you like your job? Okay, please decide. Is it 1 or 2 or 3? Yes, it's number 2. So if you write number 2, it means your answer is correct. Now B, what qualities do you need to do your job? What qualities do you need to do your job? Which paragraph answers this question? So you know now number 2 is used. Number 1 and 3 are left. So please decide on one. It's number 3. It's paragraph number 3. And the last question, what do you do in your job? What do you do in your job? Clearly is number 1. Yes, it's number 1. Okay, now I will move to exercise number 5. Word study, we are going to learn some personal qualities. Match an adjective in blue in the text to its opposites. As you can see, we have 6 words. The 6 words are related to personal qualities. Number 1, I will read them quickly. Unfriendly. Number 1, unfriendly. Number 2, uninterested. Number 2, uninterested. Number 3, nervous. Number 3, nervous. Number 4, shy. Number 4, shy. Number 5, ignorant. Number 5, ignorant. Number 6, boring. Number 6, boring. Okay, students, I will repeat my question. You need to go back to the reading text, find the opposites of these 6 words. They are colored in blue. Okay, this is to make it easy for you. Don't look, you know, only for the blue words. Okay, so the opposites. The first one is unfriendly. What is the word in the text in blue is the opposite of the word unfriendly? Please say it or write it on your book or even on a notebook. Friendly. So the opposite of unfriendly is friendly. Number 2. The word is uninterested. Uninterested. What is the opposite of uninterested? Please say or write. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. If you said enthusiastic, give yourself a tap. It means you are a very good student. Number 3, nervous. Number 3, nervous. Did you find the answer? C. The word is calm. The word is calm. Please notice the L is silent in calm. Number 4, shy. Shy. Okay. The opposite of shy is confident. Confident. 5. The word is ignorant. Ignorant. Quickly, try to find the opposite of the word ignorant. Okay, if you find the opposite of ignorant, give yourself a clap. Is knowledgeable. Is knowledgeable. The last one is boring. Boring. The opposite of boring is fascinating. Fascinating. Yes, thank you very much. You know, now quickly, I want you just to say the opposites quickly, without me. Okay, I will say the word, you need to say the word after me. Unfriendly, say the opposite. Okay. Uninterested. It's your turn. Nervous. Say the word. Shy. Ignorant. Did you remember the word? The opposite of ignorant? Yes, it's knowledgeable. And the last one is boring. The opposite is fascinating. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we move on. Now, exercise number 6, it says find other words in the text to make a list of adjectives and phrases to describe personal qualities. You know, we have studied, let's say, about 12 words, 6 and the opposites of the 6 words. All of them, they are related to the personal qualities. But you know, in number 6, they say go back to the reading text and find more words or phrases that are related to the personal qualities. So please give yourself some time and decide on some other words or phrases. Okay. After finishing writing, please compare your answers with mine. So the first one is talented. So if you wrote talented, you scored a point. The second word is fun. And the third word is interesting. Okay, these 3 words, they are used to describe personal qualities. Okay, now I will write 2 more phrases, not words. The first phrase is have lots of energy. Have lots of energy. And the last one is be good with children. Be good with children. How many points did you score? Please tell me later. Out of 5. The score is out of 5. Don't cheat. Okay. 7, you know this is talking exercise. It says look at the jobs from A to D below and choose 2 that interest you. Interest you, you know, you like 2 jobs of them. What other jobs can you think of? Tell your partner what qualities you need to do that kind of jobs. If I go quickly and try to read the 4 jobs, the first one is florist. Florist. If you look at the picture, easily you know what do we mean by florist. Number 2, actor. 2, actor. 3, doctor. Doctor. And the last one is architect. Architect. Architects, you know, this is the kind of job for the people who design houses. Yes. So now, students, please, if you look here, I want you to write something like this. This is, you know, about letter C, doctor. To be a doctor, I think you need to be good at science and knowledgeable about medicine. See, to be a doctor, I think you need to be good at science and knowledgeable about medicine. So, you know, choose a job from florist, actor, or architect. Okay, which one do you like? And you need to write, let's say, 3 sentences about the qualities you need to do the job as a florist or as an actor or as an architect. Okay, so you can write this on a book or on a piece of paper. Yes. Okay, and I will go to number 8. As you can see, is writing. I will, upload a worksheet about this one. You need to write it fully and then send it to my email on the website. Writing, interview someone you know about their job and write a description. You know, you can interview someone in your family. Use the questions in activity 4 and talk to someone in your family or at your school. You know, you can ask your father, mother, or anyone in your family. You know, the main questions that we learned, what do you like? Why do you like your job? This is the first question you can ask the person. Number 2, what qualities, personal qualities, do you need to do your job? You need to have to do your job. And the last question, what do you do in your job? What do you do in your job? Okay, after asking these questions, you need to write the description of what the person does and why they like their jobs and the qualities they need to do it. Okay, please pay attention to the grammatical mistakes or the spelling mistakes, please. Yes, finally, I want you to do pages 78 and 79, which are related to the same lesson, but in the activity book. Yes, and that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and hope to seeing you soon. Thank you.